Looking for the best eSIM for your next trip? Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison of Globalesim and Keepgo. We'll look at their coverage, data plans, and pricing to help you choose the best option. Globalesim offers a wide range of regional and global plans, ideal for those who frequently switch countries. With Keepgo, you get flexible top-up options, and the data you buy never expires, making it a good choice for less frequent travelers. But what if you need unlimited data without breaking the bank? That's where yesim comes in. yesim provides unlimited data packages and regular data plans, so you're always connected wherever you go. Check out yesim here. We'll also cover how easy it is to set up each eSIM, what kind of support you can expect, and the overall user experience. If you're planning your next adventure or just want a reliable backup for your current SIM, this video is for you. Be sure to subscribe, like the video, and let us know your thoughts in the comments.